Hi, Shane Drews out here again. You're probably wondering, what's this model looking fabulous guy out here doing trying to garden? Well, you've probably heard that all my pumpkins are gone. I was going to raise some pumpkins for a Wiccan rainbow cookout, and well, someone's taken out all my pumpkins. Now, this looks like some wild agriculture, and these Pennsylvania Smartweed I was using to grow the pumpkin in because it helps support and everything else was working great. But something went through and all killing my pumpkins. Now you might also notice that among this what looks like just piles of weeds, because there's strawberry and tomatoes several few feet, right? So besides the giant iron weeds and other things that are around that are edible, some of those are for show. But then I notice my great tomato vines are also taking a hit. Look at this. Completely dying. I'm like, what's going on, right? So I come down here and look. And if you look, you'll see these vines have been barked. The rabbits have been coming down here and eating these vines, and that's killing the vines. That's killing them with tomatoes on it. I have pumpkins. I have immature pumpkins everywhere, just dead. So I'm one of these guys who has mustache wax. Back to how good I look. I'm gonna take this wax and lanolin mixture I got, a little rosemary. I made it myself. I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna coat these vines. Gosh, one of them is halfway gone. But I'm gonna coat these vines in this wax first off. Some of them, this is just terrible. I mean, I like my tomatoes. You understand? I mean, I might just be a show farmer or whatever and keeping pets, but and you've seen videos of me keeping 6, 7 um, rabbits up here in the house, even. But a real homesteader couldn't afford to have these rabbits out here. And even if I got my dogs, hey dogs, where you at? Zeus, come here. Zeus, come on. There's Zeus. You would think he'd be able, and these other two dogs with him, would be able to keep the rabbits off. I got this one on a leash now. I guess been holding them back. I think it confuses them. I've been keeping rabbits as pets. They're saying, are these rabbits hands off? Destroying the crop. Anyways, after the wax, I'm going to take some masking tape and loosely wrap these and see if the vines can be saved. Because, I mean, I'm not exactly vegan, but if I have big slices of tomatoes, I can make sauces. I have, what do you call it? Baking cheeseburgers of tomatoes, big slices of tomatoes. I can make, so, you know, I'm not even a tomato fan. I'm kind of a pumpkin fan. But I would have had enough food here to feed, I don't know, 5 people for a year, and now it's barely enough to supplement my regular diet of whatever I buy. Right? Tough stuff. These rabbits. I don't know. A comment. I got rid of all the rats in some genocide, but poisons specifically made for rats, and I don't want to repeat that again. I'm trying to get along with nature and negotiate and train these rabbits not to eat my tomatoes. I got my dog on the longer leash out here on the push. Isn't that right, Earl? Come here, Earl. Come on. He's probably caught up in the little thing. It's a long rope. I wish I could let these dogs free range, but we are actually about a block from the center of downtown. Seriously, block from the firehouse, everything in downtown. Thousands of people that just happen to be around a strange corner perpendicular to civilization. Or civilization might be perpendicular to us. Anyways, wrapping on tape, wax and tape.